Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notions. When comparing Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notions, each note-taking app has its strengths depending on your needs. Anytype offers a unique approach with a decentralized system, focusing on privacy and control over your data. It's great for users who value security and want offline access with a customizable workspace. However, it may not have as large a community or integrations as some of other apps. Capacities is a simple yet effective note-taking app designed for individuals and teams. It focuses on creating structured, easy-to-navigate notes with rich content types like text, images, and links. It's user-friendly but lacks some advanced features found in more robust apps. Obsidian is a powerful knowledge management tool known for its linking capabilities. It's perfect for users who need to organize large amounts of information and prefer a non-linear approach to note-taking. The app uses Markdown, which offers flexibility and customizations but might have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Notion is one of the most popular note-taking apps, offering a highly flexible workspace. It allows users to create databases, tables, to-do lists, and much more. Notion is known for its versatility and user-friendly interface, but it can become slow when handling large amounts of data or complex structures. If you value privacy and decentralizations, Anytype is the best. For simplicity and ease of use, Capacities is a good choice. Obsidian is ideal for advanced note-takers who love linking and knowledge management, while Notion offers an all-around flexible workspace for both personal and team projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.